This is the Hoosier Writing Project digital workshop on Glogster, www.glogster.com. What is Glogster? Glogster's tagline is "Poster Yourself." Glogster is a free online tool for publishing interactive posters called glogs. So what can you do? You can create an interactive poster. An interactive poster has videos, it has moving animations, it has direct links, it has all kinds of things that a regular print poster doesn't have or can't do. It can also have music embedded on there and sound effects and all kinds of really fun stuff. So you make these interactive posters. You can teach with them. You can use them like infographics, or you can have students create their blogs as a project or journal. What kind of media can be used? Glogster actually has a bank of all kinds of graphic galleries. So it has a whole gallery of all of these different animations and pictures and text tools and all kinds of fun stuff. You can also include graphics, maps, or charts. You can upload pictures or images. You can also search for pictures and images. You can do videos. They do YouTube. You can do direct URL links, and you can download videos. And like I said, there is a graphics gallery through Glogster, and it has a lot of things, including animations and other special features. How do you communicate with Glogster? Glogster EDU is a little bit different than the regular Glogster site. It has a little bit more, it has some more tools for education. So it lets you share by embedding code or having a URL. It lets it put you on your school wiki or wiki spaces. It has a direct link for Edmodo if you use that, Twitter and Facebook, and also social networks like Blogger, WordPress, or iGoogle. It lets you share through student portfolios, teacher presentations. You can send to an email account. You can bookmark it, moving Dig or Delicious or Stumble. And then you can share your blog projects through Glogster with the world. So technology is a tool. It matters how we use it. What can we have students do? Students can read interactive posters, also called glogs, with audio and video components. So if you want students to access information, to consume information, they can go to one of these interactive posters and they can read it. Now, reading an interactive poster or a blog is different than reading a regular poster. There are different things you can click that give more sources, but basically it's tons of information compressed and organized into a single blog. Students can also comment on a variety of teacher-created blogs. Glogster EDU has a host of teacher-created blogs that are public, which means that you can search for blogs on particular topics that other teachers have created. And so it has a very educational feel to it. Students can create blogs as journals or as individual projects. Students can also collaborate to create blogs with peers. So for group projects or group activities, students can create blogs together. Students can also practice visual and digital literacy skills, which are emerging 21st century skills. Definitely things that students need to practice. And students can present information in visually stimulating ways. So instead of putting things on a static poster, students can present information using blogs to interact with their audience. Here are some of the benefits of Glogster as a technology tool. It expands digital literacy in an easy-to-use digital learning environment. Once you get on the site, it is very easy to use and to make blogs. Glogster enables mastery in educational technology as well as content area standards. So you get standards for educational technology and digital literacy as well as whatever your content area standards are. Glogster promotes independent problem solving, demonstrates student creativity and understanding of curriculum objectives in a very creative way. It enhances formative and summative assessments. It provides differentiated instructional activities, and the inexpensive Pro version actually lets teachers organize by classes. You don't have to buy the version, but if you want a little bit more control over which blogs you get and how you get them. The pro version is very inexpensive for the EDU, and it lets teachers organize and develop classes. So here are 3 ways to use Glogster for your classroom. Making infographics for presenting information, creating character biographies or all about me charts, and students doing research projects.